Hello, I'm Christina from AceVacuums. Today, let's dive into common repair problems you might face with a Shark vacuum cleaner. Understanding these issues can help you maintain your vacuum's performance and extend its lifespan. One frequent issue is loss of suction. This can be due to clogged filters, a blocked hose, or a full dust canister. Regular maintenance can prevent these problems and keep your vacuum running smoothly. If your brush roll isn't spinning, it might be obstructed by hair or debris. Alternatively, a worn-out belt could be the culprit. Checking these components can often resolve the issue quickly. When your vacuum won't turn on, consider power supply issues. Check the power cord and outlet and ensure the reset switch hasn't tripped. Overheating might also cause temporary shutdowns. Strange noises from your vacuum could indicate foreign objects stuck in the brush roll or hose. Alternatively, grinding or rattling sounds might suggest motor problems that need attention. Cordless models may face battery problems. If the battery doesn't hold a charge, it might need replacing. Also, ensure the charger is functioning properly to avoid charging issues. Dust escape can occur if seals are damaged. Regularly check and replace worn seals to prevent dust from leaking out. This simple step can improve your vacuum's efficiency. Overheating is another common issue. Blocked airflow or overuse can cause your vacuum to overheat. Regular breaks during use and clearing blockages can help prevent this problem. Regular maintenance is key to a well-functioning vacuum. Clean filters, check hoses and brushes, and empty the dust canister frequently. These steps ensure optimal performance and longevity. If your Shark vacuum won't turn on, start by checking the power source. Test the outlet with another device and inspect the power cord for any visible damage or frays. Resetting the vacuum can sometimes solve the problem. Many Shark models have a reset button near the motor. Press it to reset the vacuum and see if it resolves the issue. Overheating can cause your vacuum to shut off. If it's been running for a long time, let it cool down for about 30 minutes before trying again. This can often solve the problem. Blockages in the hose, filters, or brush roll can cause the vacuum to shut off. Regularly check for clogs and clear them to prevent damage and maintain performance. For cordless models, ensure the battery is charged. If it won't hold a charge, it needs replacement. Unusual sounds might indicate motor issues that require professional attention. If you've checked all these and your vacuum still won't turn on, visit AceVacuums in Fairfax or Loudoun counties. Our experienced technicians are ready to help with your Shark vacuum repairs. Our locations are at 300 Fort Evans, RD, Leesburg, Virginia, 20176, and 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia, 22030. Call us at 703-997-9292 or visit www.acevacuums.com for more information. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you with your Shark vacuum issues. Remember, AceVacuums is here for all your repair and warranty needs. Have a great day!